In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a Zoom recording. Whether you're hosting a webinar, running a class, or meeting with your team, sometimes you need to temporarily stop capturing audio and video without creating multiple files. Here's how to do that smoothly. Before we start, make sure you're the host or have permission to record. Depending on your account, you may see options to record to your computer or to the cloud. Either way, the pause and resume controls work the same. First, start the recording. Once you're in your Zoom meeting and ready to capture, look for the record button in the meeting toolbar, typically along the bottom of the window on desktop. Click Record to begin. You'll see a recording indicator appear. That's your confirmation that everything on screen and mic is being saved. Now, when you reach a moment that shouldn't be on the final video, maybe a quick break, a sidebar, or a screen you don't want included, pause the recording. Click the same record control and choose Pause Recording. Zoom will switch the indicator to show that recording is paused. The timer stops advancing and no new audio or video is being written while you're paused. This is different from stopping. Pausing keeps your session in a single continuous recording, simply skipping over the paused portion. When you're ready to capture again, resume. Click Record once more and select Resume Recording. The indicator will change back, the timer will continue from where it left off, and Zoom will begin saving the meeting again in the same file. Be sure to resume before you jump back into important content so nothing is missed. A quick note to avoid surprises. If you click Stop instead of Pause, that ends the current file. Starting to record again after stopping will create a new, separate file. So for a single, seamless recording, stick with pause and resume during the meeting, and only stop when you're truly finished. After your session, Zoom will process the recording. Local recordings convert on your computer when the meeting ends. Cloud recordings upload and appear in your Zoom account. And that's it. Start recording, pause when you need a break, and resume to keep everything in one clean video.